about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
We approve, guys. We approve. We approve. Guys, I'm absolutely loving the results. My knotless braids at Senneca here in Pavilion. So here are my awesomes. I'm gonna end this video here because I need to go home. It's a bit late. Guys, it's like 7 o'clock. But bottom line, you know. Oksala, guys. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great time. Awesome time at Awesomes. Bye.